Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 68 Mopar, looks like, Dodge Star 68 Charger. This comes from Mike in Alberta, Canada. Thank you so much, Mike, for your international business. Now, one thing I'll say, guess I need to change the camera there. One thing I'll say about this unit is, for some weird reason, they've got the tuning pointer recessed, looks like about 3/4 of an inch back. It makes it really hard to see the dial, where you're tuning it. Looks like you just see that pointer right about there as I move it left and right. It's not real easy to see, and if you're not looking at it dead on, you're going to extreme a heck of a lot of parallax error. From the driver's seat, 12 is going to look more like 10, so this is an interesting unit. Anyway, customer has requested the modern internal FM conversion, and of course my special work on the 8-track. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I got it set to FM at the moment, and we'll just take it all the way down the dial, make sure we pick up some stations. Naturally, I won't be staying on them for very long.
Ecology, I think, even though this
Proverbs says, the Lord sees everything.
Highlighted.
He doesn't know what's going on.
You name it, from regular maintenance.
In years, I practiced personal.
A striking
Nissan, if you missed out,
he needs another PT before patients get to me.
Okay, now let's go over to AM, and we do that by turning the unit on and off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on AM, and we get one strong station about the middle of the dial.
In Europe, absolutely nothing, but we're in a war.
Where are you?
Jim Hansen,
there we go. There's our weak AM station. And while we've got it on this, we'll test our virtual fader control.
Winning the second Civil War without firing a shot. He knows what he talks about. Give us your
just our front rear fader.
Green Beret, what the end game is.
Didn't work that time. Try it again.
We saw Putin take advantage of the perfect opportunity.
There we go.
With Xi when they met in the
all the way front, all the way rear, front,
weird again,
rear.
shocking. Here's what I
Okay,
think
I'm
Putin's game
going to
is.
center them, let it time out. Fader is set. Okay, let's go back to, we'll just do it on AM while we test the 8-track function. That's it. Neil Sedeka here.
More now. Hit the Capitol, hit a bunch of stuff, break it.
Okay, we're the blank spot there.
What they're saying is so low. That was all I had to, baby. Let's go stay. Everybody, let's go steady ahead.
Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Last thing to check is the dial light, and I've already made sure that works, and you probably can't see it, but I can see a little soft blue glow. Boy, that pointer being so far back is really strange. Haven't seen that yet, but that's the way the radio is made, so I guess I'll see a few more of those in my career at some point. At any rate, as it came in, condition it came in is the condition it's going out with, except that everything works now. It's got FM now. The 8-track sounds much better, of course. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old AM radio. We can add FM. Depending on how much you want to spend, we can also add Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to do some business. So my website and description, my website and phone number are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions about options and turn times and all that stuff. That's all on my website, and you're welcome to call me after you've gotten that information. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business all the way from Alberta, Canada, and we'll see you guys next time.